What is up, guys? Welcome back to a video. I want to say, like I said, I'm sorry for not posting. The reason has been because I have been working my butt off on this new channel right here called Zebra Games. Definitely go check it out. It's going to be a channel where I do gaming videos and stuff like that. I'll be doing walkthroughs, and stuff like that. You guys know those popular walkthrough YouTubers like T-Mart and all of them guys. Well, that's going to be what my channel is going to be about, is walkthrough gaming video tutorials and all of that. So let's get on into it. But yeah, alright, just let me stop plugging. But yeah, that's, why. But today I've got a video for my main channel, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make professional gaming logos on your phone. It's, on your phone. Simple. So, excuse me. Yeah. Let's get on to it. So, what we're going to do is you're going to need you're going to need two apps. You're going to need PicsArt, and then you're going to need YouTube Studios. But if you're a YouTuber, you should already have YouTube Studio. But yeah, so it's called PicsArt. That's just what I like to call it. Here it is, right here. You're going to download that, and then what we're going to get is YT Studio, just like that, and then we're going to get that site. Okay, once you got those done, we're going to go to PicsArt first. Okay. It's going to bring up this ad. Press the plus button. This is one of the banners or profile picture I made. It's pretty cool, actually. I also made this banner. Where is it? Right here. If you guys want me to show you how to make a banner like this, I'll do a video on it. But yeah, so you're gonna go to your color backgrounds, and you're gonna scroll till you guys find one that you guys like. Press color picker if you can't find one, so I'm just gonna press that. I'm gonna do orange, because that's my favorite color. But you can do like black, or like you can just size it. Like, I don't like bright orange because that just is too much. If I was you, I recommend not making something like insanely bright, like this bright icy blue, because it's gonna distract a lot of people from the logo. And sometimes even when you post it, it's not even gonna show you. It's gonna be kind of hard to see your logo. So I'm gonna do kind of like a dark color. I'm gonna do more of a darker orange to this one. That's actually still bright, but whatever. Because orange is my favorite color, so yeah. But what we're going to do now is you can go to HDR. Now, do not put on HDR1. This makes your thing just look horrible. I have an app for you guys can use. But it should be already high quality. But if not, I'll show you. That's for a separate video. But yeah, anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go to effects and put on HDR. It'll look good. It won't look bad. Just to get the highest quality. Alright, now we're going to go to stickers. And you're going to type in... You can, if you really want to, you can type in Santa. I might make a video on this. That's actually a good idea. But if you want to, you can type in Santa. Or, like, you could get, like, some type of photo. So, like, if I wanted to, I could get this photo of, like, Stitch with a candy cane. Like, this is so easy. You could just put it in the middle. I guess that's not in the middle. And then you just add your text. Stitch Gaming. If you want to do that. And then you can just do, like, white. And there you go. Your logo is done. And then you just add it under. And then there you go. Your logo is done. Just like that. If you wanted to do that. But that would just look so horrible. But I'm going to show you a good way to do it. So we're going to go to stickers. Okay. And once you're here, we're going to go to search. And we're going to type in gaming logos. Okay. If you're a vlogger, you can use like the camera here. And then like you could just do that. Like whatever. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna just scroll down. I didn't mean to do that. Gaming logo. So some of these have this crown right here, or sorry, this king thing, this crown thing. I don't freaking know what it's called. If you press on that, it's you gotta buy a subscription. But A subscription meaning you have to pay for the thing. So if you don't have money, that's fine. Don't even buy it. It's not even worth it. All you do is get extra bonus crap. But it's free. Other than that, you just gotta log in and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna find one. I like to do something that matches my logo, kind of. But there's a lot of stuff you can use here. Like, if you wanted to... Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. If you wanted to use something... If I was you, I would make something like... Like, if you like anime, like, they got anime right here for you. So, if you like anime, then sure, whatever. But, yeah, I saw something I like. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to use this fox because it matches my background because my background's orange. So if your background, for example, blue, then do blue like this thing right here. This thing, do blue. I just giving you guys ideas, but I'm going to use this fox. So once you have your logo, all we're going to do is simply size it. Not that big. You're going to go to effects first, and we're going to put on HDR1. Oh my gosh, this logo is so terrible. So you could do that if you want. But whatever. So you're gonna make this big because this is gonna be your logo, dude. Actually, I forgot. Hold on, guys. I'm tripping. I'm over here tripping. Hold on, I forgot. You're gonna go to your tools. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Get that thing out of here. You're gonna go to your tools, go to crop, and do 800 by 800. Alright, so you don't gotta worry about freaking YouTube not, you know, giving it a fit or whatever. It's not fitting. Alright, so we're gonna make this big because, again, this is gonna be your logo. So we're gonna put this in the middle. Is that in the middle? No. I'm gonna make it smaller. Alright. Sorry about that noise, guys. I have a fan on because it is hot as hell in my room. So, yeah. Yo. Is that good? Make sure it's not, like, over here, and then you put your text like this, and your text is, like, over here. That just will look weird. Okay, so... And on opacity, you could turn it down. I wouldn't, though. Okay. I'm gonna put it down here. So once you got your logo, I'm actually gonna raise it like down. Like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move it over. That. Alright, so once you got your logo, all we're gonna do now is you're gonna add text and you're gonna add your name. So I'm gonna do Zebra and then Zebra Games. What am I doing? Games. Okay. And if we're doing this, hold on, let me put that up there for a second. If we're doing this, make sure, you know, you're not messing with your logo. So I'll be back once I find, to position my logo. So, yeah. I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I'm back. I messed with my logo a little bit. But once you find it in a good position, you're just going to press apply. And then once we're done, we're going to go to text. And we're going to type in your name now. So I'm going to do Zebra space Games. Press that check mark right there. And then there you go. And then simply press the color and then do white. And then stroke, do black. And the reason why I'm doing that is because the fox is white and black. So if you want to do that, you can. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do white. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of black in there. And there you go. So after that's done, pretty much, you're done. I'm just going to move it up a little bit. Like that. Is that good? That looks good, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Alright. After you got your logo, press apply again. Go to effects. You can use HDR1. I'm telling you, don't look good. Don't do that. Alright, press apply. Whatever, if you guys want to. And now you're pretty much done. Once you have it, like, to the point where you like it and you don't want to change it and stuff, you could just press this little arrow going down. And then it'll say save the photos. And now, all we need to do is I'm going to show you how to put it on your YouTube now. Alright guys, so once you have once you have made the logo, put your text, you saved in all that, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to, put it on your profile and stuff like that. So, you're going to go to your YouTube studio. You're going to press the profile picture. You're going to press edit channel profile. And you're going to press Zebra Games. Press that. I know I have yellow with blue. I had a yellow profile, but I've got to change that today. Press the choose from your photo. And make sure, I forgot, I'm going too fast. Press the little profile on top. Go to edit channel profile. And then press the camera. Do choose from your photos. Do the photo that we did, this one. And let's see how that looks. But save it. Does that look good? Do I like that? Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. I like that a lot, actually. So once you have this, you're good to go. And there you go, guys. That's how you guys can make a photo. And now once we go on YouTube. So let's go on YouTube. Alright. We're going to type in Zebra. And by the way, it's all capital letters. Zebra Games. Wrong channel. These are all channels that I have that I promise you guys aren't my channels. So we could just do Zebra. And then Games. Bro, where is my channel at? Hold up. Whatever. My channel's kind of hard to find, but yeah. This is my channel. I think I added something earlier. No, I didn't, but yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that did help you guys out. If it did, let me know in the comments below. And also, please, in the comments below, show me your profile pictures. If you added your profile picture, I will love to see your guys' profile pictures and see how cool they look. So just comment in the comments below something nice or whatever, and I'll look at your profile picture and I'll, heart your comment and talk to you. If you guys need motivation or you guys are feeling like you're down, I will talk to you guys personally. So yeah. But anyways, guys, it's been your boy Zebra, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.